So when you've got some sweet potato and onion hanging around and you're wondering what to make, and then suddenly you remember your wonderful sweet potato soup, oh, this spicy Thai-inspired bowl of goodness is like a comfort hug in a bowl, and it's really low on the old calories too if you don't pop the cream in. But what you're going to need first of all is a large onion, and just slice it and dice it. And then you're going to pop it into a frying pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add in 2 large garlic cloves that have been crushed, and you want to saute it round for around about 5 minutes until it's translucent. While that's frying away, you can deal with your sweet potato. I've just chopped it into chunks by peeling it and slicing it and chopping it into 4. Now back to the frying pan, and you're going to add in a teaspoon of ground ginger, and then a heaped tablespoon of red Thai chili paste. Mix that all around so it's combined, and then add in some salt and some pepper. Then pop in your sweet potato chunks and just give it all a good mix round. Then you want to add everything to a large heavy bottomed saucepan, and to that add 1 litre of vegetable stock, along with 400 ml of coconut milk, when you can get the jolly coconut milk actually out of the can. Yes, it's a struggle, but you want to cook it for around about 25 to 30 minutes on a simmer until that sweet potato is soft. Then you can put it in a liquidizer or use a hand blender to blitz it up to make sure it's lovely silky smooth. Now if your sweet potato soup is too thick, you can add more vegetable stock, and if you like it thicker, then you add less stock. But all you need to do now is just test for seasoning. So just go in there with a spoon and test, and yeah, here she is, greedy girl again, and she's giving it a good test there to make sure it's just nice, which I know it is. So you can serve with all sorts of things. How about some croutons, cheesy croutons, or I just like it with a splash of single cream and fresh coriander. And if you want to know where the recipe is, you know where to go. My website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.